Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by securing power and connectivity. Make sure battery is at least 50% and you have Wi-Fi or a USB cable ready. Next, check whether you remember the My Account email, local PIN, or any backup code because these determine the path. Once done, decide quickly. Try safe unlock options first to preserve data versus a factory reset if account recovery is impossible. That choice changes every subsequent step, so choose deliberately now. You now attempt account-based recovery. Go to My Cloud on another device or PC, sign in, and use the Find Device Unlock flow. This preserves your data when successful. If the My Account is unreachable, move to Recovery or Fast Boot mode. Power off, hold volume up plus power, then follow on-screen reset prompts. This erases data, but unlocks the device. Make sure to try ADB backups first if USB debugging was enabled earlier to save any recoverable files. You finish by rebooting and walking through the setup. Sign in with the recovered My Account to re-enable full functionality. If you hit factory reset protection, the only reliable solution is correct My credentials, so try account recovery again or contact Xiaomi support with proof of purchase. If servers block actions, wait and reattempt after 24 to 72 hours because rate limits often clear. And finally, keep a fresh backup strategy to avoid data loss in future.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.